Okay, we're going to solve the problem 1/9 of the students in Mr. Beck's class list red as their favorite color. Twice as many students call blue their favorite, and 3 times as many students prefer pink. The rest name green as their favorite color. What fraction of the students say green or pink is their favorite color? So I've got our square diamond organizer that we're going to use. So I first put my answer statement for the green. Blank students prefer green. Blank students prefer pink. Now we go back up into the problem and look at given information. So we know that 1/9 like red. So in the second box here, 1/9 red. We know that twice as many are blue, so that would be 2 times 1/9 blue, and 3 times pink. Okay, we also know that the rest is green. Now, our plan. We will need to multiply a whole number by a fraction a couple times. Then we're going to add all the fractions together and subtract from our whole. So our strategy is to add. Nope. Let's do this first. We're going to multiply whole number by a fraction. We plan to add fractions and subtract fractions from a whole. Alright, so now our plan is written there, so now we need to go through with our plan. So I'm going to take 2 times 1/9. That'll tell us how many blue. Well, I know that 2 over 1 is the same thing as 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 9 is 9. So there's 2/9 blue. 3 times 1/9 will give me my pink. 3 over 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 9 is 9. Now, I know that 3/9 can be reduced, but for the purpose of this problem, we will not reduce until we get our final answer. Alright, so we know that blue, pink, and then red is 1/9. So we need to add all of those together and subtract it from a whole. So we have 3/9, which is pink, plus 2/9, which is blue, plus 1/9, which is red. Now when we're adding fractions that have the same denominator, the denominator stays the same. 9 will be the same. 3/9 plus 2/9 is 5/9, plus 1 is 6/9. Now again, that is not our final answer, so we do not have to simplify that problem just yet. So we know that 6/9 of the class either like red, blue, or pink. So the whole class would be represented as 9/9, or one whole class, minus the 6/9 of the students that prefer red, blue, or pink. Same denominator, stays the same. 9 minus 6 becomes 3. So we have 3/9 that like green. So now we can simplify. I know that 3 and 9 can both be divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 1/3 is green, prefers green. So I'm going to come down into my answer statement and put 1/3 the students prefer green. Now, the second part of our problem was pink. And I knew that that was 3 times 1/9, which is 3/9, which happens to be the same as the green. So I've already simplified that down to 1/3. So I'm going to plug that back in to here. So my answer statement reads 1/3 students prefer green, 1/3 students prefer pink. Now, this box here is where I'm going to check my answers. If I add all of the fractions together, it should give me the total class, 9/9. So I'm going to go back to where these were ninths because they have the same denominator. So I had 3/9 green plus 3/9 pink plus 2/9 blue plus 1/9 red. All of those together should give me 1 whole or 9/9. 1 whole class or 9/9. 3/9 plus 3/9 is 6/9. Plus 2/9 is 8/9. Plus 1/9 is 9/9 or 1 whole. So there I've checked my answer. So again, 1/3 students prefer green, 1/3 students prefer pink.